Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can make $500 per day without making any videos and without any subscribers. If you are looking for making hundreds of dollars per day using YouTube and you do not know or you do not have any skill at all on how you can do it, then this is the video for you. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts and how to become an entrepreneur. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So let's start it with the today's video. If you're working on a YouTube, you know that Google allow every YouTuber to participate in the YouTube's partners program. In order to participate in the YouTube's program, you must have 1000 subscribers and you have completed 4000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. After that, you can apply for the YouTube Partners program, and if you somehow get approved from the YouTube, you can start making money from the YouTube ad revenue. The whole concept of YouTube ad revenue revolves around the CPM. CPM is actually cost per 1000 views. Let's suppose the cost per 1000 views is $1, then for 1 million views you will earn $1000. And if you are getting CPM at the rate of $15, then you will earn $15,000 for 1 million views. For some niches, you will expect to earn $1 to $2 CPM, while for some niches, you can even expect $50 CPM on YouTube. And for $50 and $40 niches, these are, make money niches, health and fitness niches, technology niches, where a lot of advertisers are advertising on YouTube. And if lot of advertisers are advertising on YouTube and somehow those ads will be displayed on your YouTube channel, you will definitely have the higher chance of potential to earn significant money from the YouTube. While other niches may not give you that much CPM, but they have a if you just move to the YouTube and search for top 5 and top 10 and memes and something like that, but you can expect to earn $1 to $2 CPM, but they have millions of views. They have 10, 20, 30, even 40, 50 millions views per video. If I just take you to the YouTube and if you search for different top 5, top 10 and other related ideas, then I have already opened up a few channels for you. This is the number 1 channel, that is the most amazing top 10. If you just go through their video section and sort those results using most popular, you will see that this is the most viewable video of this channel, 31 million views, and it was uploaded nearly 10 months ago. So within only 10 months this video has received 31 million views. And if let's suppose the CPM is about $1, then this video has earned this channel $31,000. So just from one video this channel has earned $31,000. Definitely it has earned more than $1 CPM. As per my experience, this video has given this channel $2 to $3 CPM. And if you just take other videos, then this video has received 20 million reviews, 20 million views. So you can expect to have an earning potential of $20,000. And all these videos have millions of views, and you can see that though they have not CPM as much as the make money and the health and fitness niche, but they have millions of views. They have the vast audience. They have the large number of people who are looking for such type of videos. The second channel is the bright side. This channel has over 27 million subscribers, and if you just click on popular uploads, then this is the video that has received the most number of views, that is 71 million views, and it was uploaded 1 year ago. Let's suppose this video has a CPM of $2, then you can imagine only this video has earned this channel $142,000. That's massive. Let's look at the second video, 41 million views and nearly $80,000. $80,000, $78,000, $74,000. So even from a single video, these channels are earning, more than $50,000. And this is not type of video that will get outdated. This is not that specific videos. Even these videos are getting views nowadays. These videos will get views, in the future as well, because these are the things people are looking for. These are the things people are looking for information. People are looking for fun. People are looking for the entertainment. So they never get outdated. That's the beauty of such types of channels. Again, top 5 channel. It has over 3 million subscribers. And if I just take you to the sort by most popular, 40 million views, and the video was uploaded 3 years ago. If I just take the CPM of $2, then this video has earned over $80,000, $34,000, $30,000, $22,000, $20,000, and the list is endless. There are hundreds of videos has been uploaded on this channel, and they are getting views on a daily basis. One more channel, that is the memes channel, and if you just go through the sort by most popular, this channel is about memes compilation, and 20 million views, and video was uploaded 1 year ago. If I just take the CPM of $1, then $20,000 from this video, $19,000, $13,000, $10,000, $10,000. So lot of videos are making money over $10,000 and $20,000 of $1,000. That's massive. That's massive earning potential on YouTube. Now the question is how you can get similar types of videos, how you can upload it on your own. In the previous video, I have shown you how to create or how to set up your YouTube channel, and now I am going to show you how you can create such types of videos, top 5, top 10, compilation, and other stuff. If you just move to the YouTube and search for top 5, then click on the filter button, and there is an option like Creative Commons. Click on Creative Commons, and now you are seeing those videos which you can download those videos, and you can upload those videos on your own YouTube channel, because these are license free videos that are Creative Commons, means you can reuse or edit those videos and upload it on your own YouTube channel. But keep in mind that in order to upload it on your YouTube channel, I suggest you to make a few editing in those videos. Just add your intros, just add your outros, add your own logo to make it unique, and download 2-3 videos and compile those 2-3 videos using software editor. There are different types of software editors out there. You may use Camtasia, Filmora, and even advanced softwares out there. Just search for free video editors on the Google. You may find some free softwares as well. After downloading those videos, just edit those videos, because these are Creative Commons. You have a free license to use, but I still recommend you to download 2-3 related videos and compile those videos using different clips and add your own intros and outros. That's how you can get those videos for free, and you can then upload those videos in your own YouTube channel. Top 5, you should just search for memes. Now click on filter, Creative Commons, and these are all Creative Commons or free videos, and these are all Creative Commons or free license videos that you can use for your own YouTube channel. There are tons of YouTube channels out there from which you can use Creative Commons videos, and that's how you can create compilation videos. And if you do not have any subscribers at all, that's how you can grow your subscriber base. and just work consistently. If you have created this channel, if you are planning to create this type of channel, I recommend you to start creating videos regularly. 2 video a day or even 1 video a day would be a great option to start your journey. And if you're doing it on a consistent basis, like for 5 to 6 months, you will start seeing some massive growth over the 5 to 6 months. This is where you will start seeing some significant growth, and your revenue will come in definitely at the exponential growth. I hope you like this video. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to start your own journey using my most recommended method, then I have placed the link in the description box. I recommend you to join that system, and you can join that system for free. Thank you.